Okay, example 3. We're going to factorise the following expressions here. There's nothing really difficult about these ones. They're just a little bit different and shows you some different kinds that we need to do. So, first one. We've got PQ plus PR. Now, the first thing you might notice about this one is there are no numbers. Okay? So when there are no numbers, or when you're talking about the algebraic part of the terms that need to be factorised, we're looking to see what's common in each of the terms. Now, automatically we can see there's a P in both expressions, or both parts of the expression. So obviously that is going to be at the front. Now, very simply, we'll ask ourselves, P times what will give us PQ, and obviously that will be Q. And then P times what will give us R, and that's obviously R. So that's a very simple one to factorise. Now let's take the next one. The next one you might notice, well, we've got some M's which are common, so they're going to come out, and we've also got some numbers which will be common because we have a 6 and a 4, and there must be a common number between 6 and 4, or a number that divides into 6 and 4, and that is of course 2. So I'm going to put a 2 out the front. I'm also going to put an M out the front. Now, 2m, and again, you can write them down like this if you want to find out what's missing. 2m times what will give us 6mn. And I can see, well, 2 times 3 will give me 6, so there'll be 3 there. And a 2 times, well, the m comes from the m here. We've got an n, so we need to put an n in there. So that must be a 3n. Now, 2m and 4m, well, 2m times what gives us 4m? That's going to be minus 2, because 2 2's are 4. Okay, the last one. Now, I've got a k squared and a k, so there's a k common, and we've got 12 and an 8, and we know that a 2 goes into 12 and 8, but it's not the highest. 4 is the highest. So I'm going to write down here a 4, and I also know a k is common, so I'm going to put a k out the front, and let's work out what's going to be in the brackets. So again, for that first term, I like to put 4k times something will give me 12k squared. So 4 times 3 will give me the 12, and then 4 times k times another k will give me k squared. So that must be 3k there. And then we have got 4k times what will give me 8k. Well, I don't have to have another k because the k comes from here for the answer. And we've got 4 times what equals 8, so it's 4 times 2. So that means be a 2 there. Okay, now you can have a go at question 3 and question 4 and question 5 to see how we go with those. And check your answers as you go, because they'll be helpful.